Hello, I'm Steve Stewart, and I'm the creator of MPP, or Marketing Profit Plan. This video is to give you a little overview of how the templates work, and with some real live examples. The Marketing Profit Plan opens to the DM single. This is where you calculate one kind of like a one key code or a one campaign outlook. I pre-filled the numbers in on a few of these key inputs. I put $179 in sell price there, 200,000 in circulation, 1.5% response, and 100% convert to sale. That's the minimum you need to get a calculation started and completed down in the income statement. But you can see this is kind of silly. It's got $537,000 in sales, no cost, so the income is the same amount. Now we'll put in some realism to it. I'm going to put in $90 in product cost, but that's to represent all of the costs in the different components there. I'm going to put in $5,000 in fixed cost for advertising, and I'm going to put in $900 per thousand for print and mail. This normally would be separated between postage, list, and print and mail. The response rate and convert to sale rate remain the same. So now you have an actual calculation with the campaign makes $82,000 or 15.2%. You can see there's timing results, advertising summary, cash flow data, and analytics per sale. The right side of the sheet has our analytics has response required at different income levels, starting at 0% or break even, and then 10%, 20%, and 30% income. And of course, the response rate goes up accordingly, and it tells you how many orders will come in, and the rate, and the net sales, and the income in two different sections, excluding any fixed costs and including fixed costs in G&A. So the $5,000 actually shows up here because the response rates are higher here. Down in the response variance analysis section, it shows what happens if you're at plan in the middle, and it summarizes the financials again, and then shows what happens if you gain and have plus 10% income or plus 20%, response rate, or plus 20% response rate, and less 10% response and less 20% response. The next sheet, DM Multi, I call the Swiss Army knife of planning. It accepts up to 15 different plans. You dial in the number of plans you want here, and this grows and allows calculations in the rest of the sheet. This particular one was used to show the test of an A economy mailer versus a B mailer that was deluxe, and the economy mailer actually had much less income, and it had much less response, and so the deluxe mailer became the winner. And there's the plan for rolling out once and rolling twice, using very similar parameters. What the DM Multi output will either save to PDF or it will print, and the output consists of a 3-page document that includes all of this information, but also has a very structured income 3-year income statement spread over 3 years. It also shows the cash flows. DM Group is the template that you use when you have many key codes or many keywords or keyword groups, and you dial in the number of rows that you want in the calculating area, and press setup, and it creates a totally separate workbook you then use to input your numbers and create all your calculations. Pay-per-click single, pay-per-click multi, and pay-per-click group all look the same as the others. However, of course, the differences in the calculations in the input areas for the advertising costs and the cost per order to create a customer. The glossary sheet toward the rear of MPP gives descriptions of all the data inputs and outputs, and gives precise definitions of what goes in them, and so they're easy to understand. and then also all of the calculations so that there's no mystery as to what's going to be calculated beneath the skin, as they say. So that gives you a feel for MPP. I hope you like it. We hope you order it. Thank you and take care.